How to cancel a transaction on Remitly. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for that, just open up your Remitly account. You can open it up on your browser or also on your mobile device. So if you are on a mobile device, simply click on this option of home page, and here you should be able to see the transaction which is ongoing. Just click on it, then open up the details of it. After scrolling down, you will be able to see the option of cancel transfer to be precise. Just click on it and you will be able to cancel your transaction. But you won't be able to cancel it if a recipient of that particular transaction receives the amount. After that, you will have to contact the Remitly support in order to get your money back. And this is how you do it on your mobile device. Now let's see how we can do it on browser. So on browser, you need to click on this option of transfer history. Over here in all transfers, you will be able to see your current transaction, or you can also click on this option of in progress in order to see all the transactions which are in progress. Just click on it, open the details, and then simply click on cancel transfer. In 3 business days, you will be able to receive your money. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.